Arrive at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Pakarami na nangyayari dito sa ating bansang Pilipinas.
Well, you done me, and you bet I felt it. Try to be chill, but to the temple of attention, I feel like to the grass. Now I'm trying to get back. Kinakausap lang kita kapag ako'y nangangailangan. Baka may kakilala ka na pwede kong utangan. Kasi alam mo na sa tong instalo ako. Pwede bang bigyan ako kahit 6 na numero? Kinakausap lang kita kapag ako'y nangangailangan. Sana'y may artista na makadate man lamang. Okay lang sa akin kahit na si Joyce Jimenez. Sana ako'y umugi, pumuti at maging flawless. Kinakausap lang kita kapag nangangailangan. Sana'y kapag may malingat na problema at seryoso, doon ko lang naaalala ang pangalan mo. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours, Lord. Patawan pagkat ako'y makasalanan, makasalanang nilalang, Lord.
Bato-bato sa langit, mga guilty magalit. Alam naman namin na ayo'y mga tuso. Ghost project na inyong nilikha, bilyong-bilyong piso ang pondo ng ating bansa. Alay naming dugo, flood control na inyong tinipid, ibinulsa habang merong binabaha. Kayo'y tuwang-tuwa. Mga buhaya, Ritol baha, maraming sakit. Ang boto ay ginigipit ng mga buhaya.
Siguro yun si LV. Nag-date doon sila.
You know you love me, I know you care. Just you never, and I you want my love, you want my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. I'll be we're just friends. What are you saying? Since there's another lookers in my eyes, my first love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, and you trick me till you wake me from this body.
Si Vice nag-telepono na.
And I just can't believe my first love will be like that, baby.
Paano ka pinapasok dito? Ang ganda ng pagkapangit na kanta mo. Ang maganda lang sa'yo, malakas ang loob mo.
Ehe, ehe. Ehe, ehe. Ehe, ehe. Like of sugar, mong tang, tang, tang. Sirens is like a pyramid. Never can I love for sure. Hayangan cherries, let me go. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own, feeling frightened of the things that
Never